In this video, I will show you how to create a FuboTV account. So this is fairly simple. You have several different ways of doing it. The easiest is to either open up the website or app. So you can download the app on your phone or go to the website on your phone or laptop, for example. And from there, just click the Start Free Trial button. That will take you to the sign up page. And then here there are 3 steps. So I'm going to click Next. First enter your email password and home zip code. And then click Confirm. Then click Next. Then you can choose a plan. So again, click on Next, and here just select whichever plan you want to get started with. You can see their pricing here as well. So you have a 1-month trial. So you have a trial, and after that it will be the blue price for 1 month and then the price in gray. So just select whichever plan you want. For example, I'll do FuboTV Pro, then click on Next. Then you can either pay monthly or quarterly. Then you will get some extra channels if you pay quarterly. I'll just do monthly. Then here set up your payment, so click Next and then just add the payment method you want to use, which can be a credit or a debit card. And you can see due now is $0, meaning you don't have to pay yet. Just enter your payment details for now and click Start Free Trial. Then from there they will ask you who is watching, then just create a profile, and from there it will then redirect you to FuboTV. So now you know how to create a FuboTV account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.